In today's video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem of mathematical Olympiad. Here is the following information. Find all real solutions for this equation. We have the fourth root of 13 plus x plus the fourth root of 4 minus x equals number 3. Okay, it's not hard equation, but it is a little trick. Once you find the trick, you will solve it easily. Okay, I would be recommend to give the try to this problem prior to get into the solution. So go ahead, pause this video when you want to come back to see the full solution. Okay, let's get started now. Before we start process this equation, we are going to determine the domain range of this equation. Okay, for all real numbers x, so we have 13 plus x must be super equal to 0, and also 4 minus x must be super equal to 0. Okay, so this one is giving us 4 super equal to x, or x is inferior equal to 4. Okay, so this one we have 13 plus x, which means x super equal to minus 13. So that's mean x must be super equal to minus 3. X is lying between minus 13 and 4. Okay, so this is the domain range of this one. Now let's start with this equation. So notice here, if I'm going to move over this term to the right and raise number 4 as a power on both sides and simplify this equation, the equation become more challenging to solve it. So now I'm going to use the substitution in order to get this equation solved. So let's set 13 plus x equals a. Okay, then I put 4 minus x equals b. I'm going to replace these values into this equation to see what's given us. I will get a to the 1 over 4 plus b to the 1 over 4 equals number 3. Okay, then I'm going to find the relationship between a and b. I'm simply going to add the first equation on the second equation to get x eliminated. Okay, so I will have 13 plus 4, which is 17. I will have a plus b equals to 17. So which a plus b equals 17. Okay, then I'm going to move over b to the right. Then I will have a equals 17 minus b. Okay, this is the relationship between a and b. I'm going to take this value of a and insert it into this equation to make the equation in terms of b. Okay, so I will have the following expression. We'll get 17 minus b to the 1 over 4 as an exponent plus b to the 1 over 4 equals number 3. Okay, then I'm going to move over this term to the right. I will get 17 minus b to the 1 over 4 equals 3 minus b to the 1 over 4. Then I'm going to raise number 4 as a power on both sides. So I will get here like this. So this 1 over 4 to the 4th as an exponent cancel each other. I will be left with like 17 minus b equals 3 minus b to the 1 over 4 to the 1 to the 4th as an exponent. Okay, so I have this expression now. If I'm going to leave this term like this, it becomes a problem. Okay, so what to do? I'm going to make also the substitution by the set. Let's set b to the 1 over 4 equals t. Okay, like this, which means b equals t to the 4. Okay, by raising number 4 as a power on both sides. So I will have a new expression in terms of t. I will get 17 minus t to the 4th equals 3 minus t to the 4th as a power. Okay, then I'm going to simplify this expression. I will have this number 4 becomes 2 to the 2 like this. Okay, this term becomes 9 minus 6t plus t square quantity square. This term becomes, let's put this one as capital X, this one as a capital Y. Okay, I will have 9 minus 6t quantity square plus 2 times t square is multiplied by 9 minus 6t plus t to the fourth. Okay, as we have a plus b quantity square equals e square plus 2 times eb plus b square. Okay, now I'm going to simplify this expression. I will have 17 minus t to the fourth equals 81 square of this one minus 2 times this one. I will get 9 is multiplied by 6, which is 54, is multiplied by 2, which is 108, minus 108 t plus 36 t square. This one is multiplied by this one is given as 18 t square. This one is multiplied by this one is given as minus 12 t cubed plus t to the fourth. Okay, then I'm going to move over this term to the right. I will be left with, I will have t to the fourth minus t to the fourth plus t to the fourth, which is t to the 2 times t to the fourth. I will get also minus 12 t cubed. I will have minus 12 t cubed. I will get 36 t square plus 18 t square, which is 54 plus 54 t square. Also, I will have minus 08 t minus 08 t plus this term 81 minus 17 is giving us 64 plus 64 equals 0. Okay, now I'm going to divide both sides by number 2. I will get the following expression. I will get t to the fourth minus 6 t cubed plus 54 divided by 2 is given as 27 t square. 108 is given as minus 54 is given as 54 t. 64 becomes 32 equals 0. Okay, I have ended with this expression. Now I'm going to clean up this board and bring this expression at the top and continue solving our equation. Previously I was working on this equation and came up with this expression. Now I worry to solve our equation. Now we have a polynomial of the order 4. Okay, now I'm going to try to how to factor this one out, how to transfer this expression into the product. Okay, I'm going to split this number minus 6 and this one and this one. So now I will have t to the fourth minus 6 t cubed becomes minus t cubed minus 5 t cubed. This 27 becomes 22 t square plus 5 t square minus 54 is the same as minus 22 t minus 32. 32 plus 22 is given as 54. Okay, plus this 32 equals 0. Now I'm going to rearrange and group these numbers to make the common factor. So I'm going to group these two terms, t to the fourth minus t cubed. For the next term I'm going to group this one and this one. So we'll have minus 5 t cubed plus 5 t square. Okay, for 22 I'm going to group this one and this one. We'll have 22 t cubed minus 22 t. Lastly I'm going to group this one and this one. We'll have minus 32 minus 32 t plus 32, which equals 0. Okay, now I'm going to put t cubed as a common factor. I will have t cubed factor t minus 1. For this one I'm going to put minus 5 t square as a common factor. Minus 5 t square factor t minus 1. For this term, I'm going to put 22t factor t minus 1. For the last one, I put minus 32 factor t minus 1 equals 0. Now we found the common factor t minus 1, t minus 1, t minus 1, and t minus 1. I'm going to put t minus 1 as a multiplier. I will have t minus 1 factor t cubed minus 5t squared plus 22t minus 32 equals 0. Okay. Also, I'm going to factor out this one. Okay. I have t cubed minus 5t squared plus 22t minus 32 equals 0. So I'm going to split this minus 5 into two parts. I will get here t cubed minus 2t squared minus 3t squared. This one also, this 22 becomes 16t plus 6t minus 32 equals 0. Now I'm looking for the common factor. So by your group this t cubed minus 2 times t squared. The second term, I will group this one minus 3 t squared with plus t. We'll have minus 3 squared plus 6t. The last one we'll have 16t minus 32 equals 0. I'm going to take t squared as a common factor. We'll have t squared here, factor t minus 2. For the second one, I put minus 3t as a common factor. We'll have t minus 2. Last one, I will get 16 is multiplied by t minus 2 equals 0. Okay. Here is the common factor, t minus 2, t minus 2, and t minus 2. I will have t minus 2 as a common factor is multiplied by t squared minus 3t plus 16 equals 0. Okay. This polynomial becomes t minus 1 factor t minus 2 factor t squared minus 3t plus 16 equals 0. Okay. I have ended with this expression. Now I'm simply going to solve this equation. So I will have t minus 1 equals 0, or t minus 2 equals 0, or t squared minus 3t plus 16 equals 0. Okay. So this one, simply t equals 1. Here t equals 2. For the last one, I'm going to calculate the discriminant of this one. Delta is giving us minus 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times 16 is giving us 9 minus 64. Okay. It's giving us minus 55, which is strictly inferior than 0. Okay. So that's mean we don't have no solution for this one. The only solution that we have, t equals 1 and t equals 2. Now I'm going back to the substitution. I'm going to replace t with its value to find b, then to find x. Now for t equals 1, I'm going to replace number 1 into above expression. I will have b to the 1 over 4 equals 1, which means by erasing number 4 on both sides, I will get b equals 1, which implies I'm going to replace number 1 into this expression to find x. We'll have 1 equals 4 minus x. Okay, which means x equals 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay, t equals 2. I'm going to do the same thing. I will have b to the 1 over 4 equals 2. I'm going to raise number 4 on both sides as a power. I'm going to raise number 4 as a power on both sides. I will get b equals 2 to the 4th, which is 16. Okay. Then I'm going to take this value of b and then insert it in above expression. So we'll have b, which equals 16, equals 4 minus x. So we'll have x, we'll get 16 minus 4, which is 12, which is x equals minus 12. Okay. Now since x is lying between minus 13 and 4, that's mean I have two solutions. X equals minus 12 and x equals 3. Okay. I have done this problem. If you are interested in this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.